High Efficiency and Precision Shearing Tool, CHC Series. High Rigidity Structure Design. High-grade cast iron machine head and saddle undergo stress relief treatment for stability, precision, and rigidity. The enlarged saddle design and safety support type horizontal sliding units do not tail out while moving to enhance processing accuracy. The hardness of the lathe body slide and horizontal slide reaches over HRC 50 after hardness treatment. Tersite B abrasion-proof plates are pasted on all sides to facilitate movement. The refined scrapping technique ensures machine compatibility and precision. Special spindle design. The slant bed lathe type spindle is directly driven by the belt. Without a gearbox, it increases acceleration and saves processing time. The spindle's front takes on a maze design and protective cover to prevent cutting fluid and chips from entering. The multi-rib spindle box dissipates heat and ensures process precision following an elevation in temperature. The movable rotational control box is user-friendly. The variety of Fanuc, Fagroy, Siemens, and Analam controllers with man-machine interfaces are easy to learn and operate. The modular design facilitates changes in the specifications. The variety of turrets, such as high-efficiency hydraulic Power 8 station turret and precision electric H4 turret, meet processing requirements and maximize performance at the lowest cost. The high-efficiency electric control box is sealed to prevent cutting fluid or dust filings from entering. The integrated circuit design of circuit board and electronic control components is equipped with a fan for high-efficiency heat dissipation. The three-layer glass door design provides operators with security, clear visuals, and process updates. The wide range of specifications for different types of precision processing will give customers more options. This machine model processes regular workpieces as well as precision workpieces, such as the spindle and mandrel, within plus or minus 5 micron accuracy. Xuan provides lifetime post-sale services for every machine made to perfection.